With this illness, it's horrible. It's horrible. I lost my dad when I was younger, so I can sort of understand what pain they must be feeling at the moment. So with this holiday they had booked, unfortunately they can't go. Callum now wants to go to Blackpool, so I want to pay for this for him. I'm going to do everything I can to raise some money to pay for this trip for Callum. How you getting on, Callum? Nice and windy, isn't it? See the Bentleys down there.
I think the McLaren's at the back as well.
He's coming down. It's looking good.
Yeah.
We're doing this event in aid of Callum. Unfortunately, Callum found out on Christmas Eve that he's got a brain tumour. He had a holiday booked at the end of the year, but due to his treatment, he's unable now to fly. But when I got home, obviously, it really touched my heart. So I wanted to do something else for Callum. So got the boys together and we raised this day. Got all the food stalls, coffees, really good day. Everyone's helping out. It's going to be mega. Got loads and loads of different types of cars here. Loads of different local car groups. I've pulled in a few favourites from our VIP customers. Appreciate that, thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Tell me, how are we getting on?
It's crazy. It's mad. We took over.
So Callum, obviously you're here today. How have you had a good day so far?
Yeah.
Bit cold?
Quite cold, but then
Quite cold, but it's worth it. So where is it you're looking to go again, mate? Where is it you wanted to go?
Blackpool.
And what's in Blackpool that you want to see? Is it the pier? Is it
No, anything really.
Do you see it all?
Yeah.
How long do you want to go there for?
4 days.
4
I think.
days, nice. Nice. When are you looking to do it?
February half term, around then. Next week. Next week.
Oh, next week?
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, Friday until Monday, won't it?
Yeah.
Well, I think today's been a massive success. So I think you're going to have a really great time there, hopefully. Excited?
Yeah.
It's been absolutely unbelievable. Thank you for every single person who come today. We really appreciate your donations, and I'm sure Callum will have a great time in Blackpool. Thanks once again. See you guys next time.